Alright, so this is the place we stayed last night.
Not the best.
It's a little sketch, but we're doing alright. And we are hitting the road because we're going to Zion this morning, Amanda.
Yeah. Let's go start the car.
Are you excited? Yeah, it's freezing outside. Alright, so this has been our refrigerator as we go. We get ice from an ice machine wherever we go. We put it in a Ziploc bag, throw it in a cooler, and that is how we are keeping our cold stuff cold. It's also freezing out here this morning. We're outside of a motel, and it's like 40 degrees in the desert. At night it gets really cold, and then during the day it gets blazing hot. Absolutely crazy.
We have an oatmeal packet, and normally I just microwave water, but this morning they didn't have a microwave, so we just ran hot water through the coffee maker and eaten oatmeal, or as Clay likes to call it, wet cardboard. But I like oatmeal. I mean, not as much as eggs, but
yeah,
it works.
So that's what we do. We improvise. I showed you how we refrigerate things this morning, and this is how we make oatmeal, through a coffee maker. Mm-hmm. My wife is so creative. Also, look at there this morning. Look at that view. Man, it is gorgeous.
That is pretty.
Another gorgeous morning. Here it comes, I
feel like a kid again, like summer nights that never end. I feel like I'm 21, so easily falling in love.
So Amanda and I are currently sitting on the side of the road trying to apply for Zion shuttle tickets because we didn't get them beforehand.
It's 8:59.
8:59, here we go.
Oh, it turned. Okay.
Zion shuttle at quantity. He's gonna get it first.
Done. I'm on fire.
We got him for tomorrow morning also?
September 24th.
2 days in a row. We've gotten Zion tickets. You just get on at 9 a.m. the morning before.
Mountain time.
9 a.m. Mountain time, morning before. You apply for shuttle tickets. If you're some of the first on it, you can get them. But, I mean, they go quick. Like, I looked at one time yesterday, like 3 minutes later, and they were down to one ticket left. And they started with, what, like 400?
Yeah,
it's
something
crazy.
Like that.
It's crazy.
Woo!
Well, it's a little crowded here. This is what it looks like if you're pulling up to the Zion Visitor Center. It says it's full, and we don't know where to turn around yet.
Yep.
Figuring it out. Another tip for Zion, the visitor center fills up really fast, so you have to get a shuttle actually. We just parked right outside Springdale in a $10 paper lot. We recommend it. It's pretty easy. Feeling ready to go for the Narrows? We got everything?
I think so.
We got some hiking poles at Walmart. Show off our hiking poles, babe.
Pretty
yeah.
I open my heart.
I think we'll be okay.
We're about to hike the Narrows. We bought hiking poles at Walmart.
Hiking poles?
We have very official shoes. These are currently listed on Facebook Marketplace if anybody is interested.
$10?
Clay's shoes have a hole in it, so I think we're prepared.
Yeah, my shoes have a big gaping hole in the bottom right there, but that's fine. We're ready. We're about to tackle this river right here.
I feel so young and I feel so on top of the world, and I feel so I feel alive and I feel so I feel so brand new. So brand new.
Man, this is cool. Get back in here.
Dancing in the pouring rain, like a new car, like a first kiss, like a newborn. I never felt like this. Something you do, it makes me feel brand new. I feel so young and I feel so on top of the world, and I feel so I feel alive and I feel so I feel so
Made it to the end.
It was awesome.
Now we gotta take the long hike back. Still no falls, no slips. We have 30 minutes left. Let's see what happens. We got one more deep crossing that I know of.
So brand new.
All right, we have figured out for the Narrows that in the morning time it's packed because everyone's going in. But not everyone makes it back all the way to Wall Street and beyond that. So when you're coming back, there's a lot less people. Look, you can't even see the next person behind us. Just don't get stuck, because you get stuck out here after, like, what do they say, 8?
The last bus is at 8:30.
Last bus is at 8:30. They will not pick you up, and you gotta hike the 8 miles back to the visitor entrance. All right, and the shuttle line. Was it worth it?
Yeah, for sure.
So worth it. Had to throw away my socks. Socks. Feels so good not to wear shoes. Amanda wanted me to make sure you guys saw that I have a blister on my middle toe.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Amanda? Is that gross?
I'm not responsible for bad ratings.
Zion. Till tomorrow.